Choosing the right MRP software can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Discover how inFlow Inventory and Katana MRP can revolutionize your manufacturing processes effectively. While their features may initially seem similar, the differences can significantly impact your business success. inFlow offers unique capabilities, such as tracking multiple sub-assemblies on a single manufacturing order. Comparatively, Katana requires separate orders for sub-assemblies, complicating your workflow and tracking process. For scaling sales, inFlow allows additional sales orders at a nominal fee. Katana has strict annual limits. With dedicated mobile apps for every inFlow plan, management is streamlined wherever you are. In contrast, Katana may lock you into limited web app access based on your plan. Onboarding and customer support are robust with inFlow, helping you optimize your setup from day one. Ultimately, understanding each platform's strengths helps you decide which will boost your business growth the most.